Well, unfortunately, we have a burst geyser, and it started yesterday afternoon, leaking into the pan and then out from the roof through the pan pipe. And so I called OUTsurance today to come to assist, and they sent these guys for us. And it's burst, they have to remove it. It's coming out of the roof, there's nowhere else to go. What a mission. This must be such a pain to work with. Well, maybe one day they'll come up with a new technology where they can beam a geyser out of the roof without even opening it up and just beaming a new one in. Wouldn't that be quite cool, Star Trek style? Well, I called insurance using their app. They called it for me, and I must say they told me that these guys would be here in about 45 minutes, and it wasn't far wrong. And while these guys were climbing into the roof, OUTsurance called me and asked me if the guys had arrived already. Quite cool. And while they were up on the roof, they used the app to tell OUTsurance that the geysers burst, and minutes later I got a call from the same guy that helped me at OUTsurance, and voila, the claim is done, will be replaced, no problems. And that dripping water you can hear is coming down there. So here we go, new geyser. Geysers are
What it comes
out of that pan pipe, that's what I call it. And now they have to empty the geyser, and it's all dripping down in there, because we want to use that water for gardening purposes. Cool, isn't it? This is not what the roof should look like, but they are replacing the geyser through this hole in the roof that they had to open up. And well, they'll put it back together, but apparently the previous guy that fixed our geyser never put in a pressure valve. And this guy, I remember, kept on telling us about the water pressure, that it's not good, and he needs to put in a pressure valve. And in the end, he never did. What kind of service was that? So these guys showed me what the valve looks like, and the geyser they put in will have that valve. Well, let's hope for the best. Well, there comes the old geyser. This cannot be fun. I think this is quite hard work. So I have to get this geyser out of there and try not to break my roof tiles. I hope my tiles are gonna be okay. So that thing must come down and the new one must come up. What are they gonna do? They're probably gonna just drop it on the grass there, because that's the easiest thing to do. I just hope they don't break those curbs there that we have. But this thing must be heavy, and I can already see some tiles that have moved. There's some more water coming out. Sorry, I am not looking where I'm pointing. So, well, so okay, I think they 1, 2, 3. Dang, that thing's now it's had its better days. Okay, 1 geyser dead. You have to be Superman to work in this business, it seems. That empty geyser weighs 120 kilograms. And he has to climb a ladder to get to the top of it. And he certainly does not look like a bodybuilder. That was like Superman. Quite impressive, I would say. It's heavy stuff, heavy stuff. Right, the next phase of getting that thing in. I do not think I'll be able to handle this in the least, since I have neck problems, I've got back problems, I've got feet problems. I'm just a simple problem. Okay, now the next thing is not to fall through the roof. Well, ceiling, that is, on the inside. I can just imagine how I would be sweating like a dog at this point. I get hot in winter. These guys must really be suffering from heat right now. And finally they are inside. And now they will do the setting up, connecting, and the works. Well, tonight we should have hot water again. Yeehaw! The geyser is in, the whole new roof is closed up again, and all I can say is the end.